Looking for the best vacuum cleaner for home in 2026? In this video, we've selected the top vacuums including cordless, upright, and robot models that deliver powerful suction, deep cleaning performance, and easy everyday use for all floor types. Let's check out the best options you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. Dyson Cyclone V10 Origin Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Origin Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and lightweight cleaning device designed for efficient whole-home cleaning without the limitations of a cord. It is powered by Dyson's advanced digital motor, which delivers strong suction performance to capture fine dust, dirt, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its cordless design allows easy movement between rooms and even into tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The vacuum features a hygienic point-and-shoot bin emptying system that helps dispose of collected dirt without touching it. It also includes multiple cleaning modes, allowing users to adjust suction power depending on the cleaning task and surface type. The V10 Origin comes with a durable battery that provides extended runtime for thorough cleaning sessions. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it can also be converted into a handheld vacuum for cleaning furniture, stairs, and car interiors. Number 2. ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni Robot Vacuum. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop is an advanced all-in-one cleaning robot designed for hands-free home maintenance. It combines powerful vacuuming and mopping functions with intelligent automation to deliver deep and efficient cleaning across different floor types. With an impressive 18,000 pascals suction power, it effectively removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, while the Ozmo roller mop system provides thorough wet cleaning for stubborn stains. This model features instant self-cleaning technology, allowing the mop system to clean itself during operation for improved hygiene and reduced maintenance. The TrueEdge deep cleaning design helps it reach edges and corners more effectively, while AI-powered navigation ensures smart mapping and efficient cleaning paths around obstacles. The Zero Tangle 3.0 system is specifically designed to prevent hair clogs, making it ideal for homes with pets. Overall, the DEEBOT T80 Omni offers strong suction power, intelligent navigation, and automated maintenance, making it a premium choice for convenient, hands-free floor cleaning. Number 3. Dreame L60 Ultra PE Robot Vacuum. The Dreame L60 Ultra PE Robot Vacuum and Mop is a high-performance smart cleaning robot designed for powerful, automated home cleaning. It features an ultra-strong 30,000 pascals suction system, allowing it to effectively remove dust, dirt, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its vacuum and mop combination provides complete floor care, handling dry debris as well as wet stains for a deeper clean. This model includes self-cleaning functionality, helping reduce manual maintenance by automatically managing cleaning components. The corner-to-edge deep cleaning design ensures it can reach tight spaces, edges, and corners more effectively. It also comes with a detangling brush system that minimizes hair wrap, making it especially useful for pet owners. Advanced obstacle avoidance and 360 degrees navigation allow it to move intelligently around furniture and objects while mapping the home for efficient cleaning paths. Overall, the Dreame L60 Ultra PE offers powerful suction, smart navigation, and low-maintenance operation, making it a premium solution for fully automated home cleaning. Number 4. Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a smart and powerful cleaning robot designed for fully automated home maintenance. It delivers 19,000 pascals suction power, allowing it to effectively pick up dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum and mop combination ensures complete floor cleaning, handling dry dirt as well as wet stains in a single system. This model features an auto-empty station that automatically removes collected dust, reducing the need for frequent manual emptying. Its mop self-cleaning system helps keep the mopping pads clean during operation for better hygiene and performance. The 100% detangling duo brush is designed to prevent hair from getting stuck, making it especially useful for pet owners. With extending mops and a side brush, it can reach edges and corners more effectively for deeper cleaning. It also supports obstacle climbing up to 1.57 inches, along with smart navigation, app control, and voice assistant compatibility. Number 5. Shiliki Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shiliki Robot Vacuum and Mop is a 3-in-1 smart cleaning device designed to vacuum, mop, and maintain floors with minimal user effort. It comes with a powerful cleaning system that effectively handles dust, dirt, and pet hair on hard floors and carpets, making it suitable for everyday home cleaning. Its dual vacuum and mop functionality allows it to remove dry debris while also wiping away light stains for a more complete clean. This robot features LiDAR navigation with smart mapping technology, enabling it to scan and map your home accurately for efficient and organized cleaning paths. It includes a strong self-emptying base that can hold dust for up to 70 days, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Designed with pet owners in mind, it handles pet hair effectively without clogging or loss of performance. Overall, the Shiliki Robot Vacuum and Mop combines smart navigation, long-term self-emptying convenience, and strong cleaning performance for hands-free floor care. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home cleaning and tech buying guides.